Tink said it was a bird.
Tink said what?
Well, she said you said to shoot it down.
Tinkerbell. Tink! Come here. You're charged with high treason, Tink. Are you guilty or not guilty? Guilty? But don't you know you might have killed her? Tinkerbell, I hereby banish you forever.
My phone broke again, so I don't think I can post Gacha Miraculous videos for a while. When it gets fixed, I will post Gacha Miraculous content ASAP. But for now, I'll stick on making and posting videos with my OC. All my Miraculous Gacha OCs are in my dead phone, and I don't remember how I made those OCs. I tried remaking them, but they just turn out ugly, so I decided to give up remaking them.